Hi, in the last video we have learned about library themes, and today in this video we will have a brief of user and role management and how to create a user and assign a role in library. User and role management in library provides administration with powerful tools to control access, enforce security policy, and streamline collaboration within the portal environment. So let's move on agenda. The agenda of this video is user and role management, and then we will shift or focus to the managing users and user groups. Then we will shift our focus to the role-based access control. Now I am going to talk about introductions of user and role management. In library, administration can customize each user access to portal resource by assigning them roles with specific person and permissions and ensuring tolerate access and security. In library, administration can group user logically for easy management, simplify permission assignment, and administration tasks. Role-based access control in library enables administrations to grant permissions to user based on predefined roles and streamlined access management, ensuring effectively resource allocation with the library portal environment. Now I am going to talk about managing user and users group. In library, user management system administration have two ability add, edit and delete users, providing flexibility in managing the user base according to the organization needs. This allows for efficient administration of user accounts, ensuring accurate representations and access control with the library portal environment. In library, administrations can configure user authentication method, include manual entry and LDAP integrations, ensuring flexibility and security in user authentication process. Managing users in user group management, administration can create, modify and delete user groups, enable efficient organizations and collaborations among users with similar attributes or roles. Administration can assign users to specific groups, streamline access control and simplify administration tasks with the library portal environment. So let's move on role-based access control. In library, role-based access control administrations define roles with specific permissions, ensuring precise user access control and enhance security with the library portal environment. Roles in role-based access control include administration, user, and guest. These roles define different level of permissions and access right for individual with the portal environment, ensuring appreciate access control and security and in role-based hierarchy, role-based access control administration establish a role hierarchy for efficient access control. This hierarchy enables the delegations of permissions and streamlined administration with the portal environment. Assign roles. In user management, administration assign roles to user and user groups, ensuring tolerate access right with the portal environment. Assigning roles allow administration to control access to the portal resource based on user roles, ensuring security and effectively resource management. Now, I will demonstrate how to create a user and assign him the role of administration. And first, open the browser and log in into the Liferay portal. Enter the login credentials and log in. After the login, now move on the control panel and create a new user. Go to the control panel, click on user and organizations. And click on plus icon and create a new user. Create a new user, give a screen name. I just give screen name. And give email ID. And give their name. And click on save. Now you can see your user created successfully, and go to the role, assign a roles. So click on roles and select the regular roles. So click here, select. After the click, you will see multiple roles that you can assign according to your preferences. I'm assigning to the role of admin. So click on choose and save. After assign the role and create a password. I just create a password. And click on save. After the save password, now log in your new users. So just I'm going to the new tab. And hit the URL and log in into the Liferay from new user. And enter the login credentials password. So I enter created password. Click on save. Click on agree. Change the password. Enter the security name. Click on save. Now you can see your admin login successfully and created user successfully, and you can see the goal of assign roles a admin. This user now create, user, edit multiple contents and view and assign a permission a new user. I hope this PPT and video are helpful. Thank you for watching the video and goodbye.